waidore achiel kachiel e mbui mar Facebook Ramogi TV, wantie achiel kachiel e mbui mar YouTube Ramogi TV, bende yudwa kanye mbui mar X kachiel kod Instagram. Nyinga Simfrozo Kinda. Kawachako ni Ogai mar obila ma kojolo Douglas Kanja e twak mare gi ute fwambo lero ni okum jopiny machano ng'anyo kawuono mar chopo kuonde ma chik ok oyiene jong'anyo donje kata protected areas. Olero ni gidhi mbele gi luwo katiba ma pacho kae rakruok gi jong'anyo mag Gen Z. Ojiwo jong'anyo mondo luw chike moketi mag ng'anyo.
Protected areas are out of bounds. To unauthorized persons as indicated in the Protected Areas Act, Cap 204 laws of Kenya, are hereby warned not to trespass protected areas. The Kenya Civil Aviation Act number 21 of 2013, under section 58, provides that any person who trespasses on any land forming part of the government aerodrome or an aerodrome licensed under the regulations made under the Act commits an offense that is punishable by the law. Based on the aforementioned, I wish to underscore in my conclusion that security of our country is our collective responsibility as Kenyans. Towards this end, we are working closely with other security agencies to ensure that our country is safe and secure for all of us.